Hello, 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 hello.
All right, so there's the
Wow, that's so 4K. It's blurry as shit. Why is it so blurry? I think I can change the settings in real time actually. Hello, 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 hello. Let's see, high quality, full resolution. Fuck it. Let's just do VBR instead and go from 10,000 DP6 settings in real time actually. Hello, hello. Uh, What happens if I put like 5,000, not 5,000, 25,000 bitrate? Does it actually change the settings? Oh, it does change the settings real time. Wow, this is a blurry mess. How is this 4K, dude? Video output. I'm not gonna do anything higher than slower, so fuck it. Max B frames is high enough. Let's do 30,000 bitrate. Wouldn't really need anything higher than this anyway. Scale filtering and do lang sauce. Maybe that would help a bit. So output. I'm not gonna do anything higher than slower, so fuck it. Max B frames is high enough. Let's do 30,000 bitrate. Let's Wouldn't see. Really need anything higher than this anyway. Scale filtering and do lang sauce. Maybe that would help a bit. It did maybe potentially made it a bit sharper, but it's not anything noticeable. Whatever. It will suffice. I can just make this ever so slightly larger if I know how to. Wait, I have no idea how to make this larger. Visual Studio Code, how to zoom in. View appearance, zoom in, control plus. Oh, that's so much. Zoom out. So yeah, this much only. Okay, whatever. It will do the job. Place a bit to this, and let's see. So there's no point in NumPy here anymore, apparently, because I do everything in OpenCV. I mean inference, yeah, there's no point for NumPy, that's just useless. Okay, parse arguments, and T goes here, and somebody can check this. Assuming, wait, well, oh. So I'm a bit pissed by this, so I will just leave it for now. Let's put a song or something. Smelling. Somebody's cooking food. I can smell it. Smells good. Lovely music. A bit louder. Even louder. Even louder. Okay, this should be somewhat hearable, I think. Oh, that's too loud. No, this is way too loud. Well, not in my earphones, but maybe minus, yeah, about good enough. Oh, that's kind of cool. What I really want is... Where's the terminal at? Inference. Oh, there you go. Apparently it doesn't work. Python. Let's refresh it. Oh, so it doesn't really like capturing it for some reason. Fuck it. Let's just do this and rename overlay. YouTube overlay. It's kind of cool. Though honestly I don't really like the song, but wish it was. Fluffy post mix. R&B, maybe.
These mirrors know our secrets.
Oh, that's better. It's kind of gay too.
Do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and I usually don't like nobody.
So I'm adding the parser. Forcing the argument goes in here. Technically, a multi-threading should work now. No, not work now. Not even close to implementing it. And T. The flicker. I'm gonna do this. Codec is not something that I really want to mess with for now. It just exports in H.264, I believe so. Right? Right? I think it was. Yeah, I think I'm right. Goes in here. I want it to go to video and SNT. Music type extract and TNT. I wonder if this can be written in GPU. Detach. Well, that's interesting. We'll see if it works. God knows. Maybe I shouldn't mess with it for now. From concurrent futures that pull executor. And I need to look at concurrent futures Python launching parallels. With thread pool executor. Pool executor. Next work just equals NT. Future equals executor submit. So no, so the current approach, this isn't good. I think I need to do it outside, maybe. Let me just. I don't know how to like go back on multiplies. Multi-threading. Cool. And I want all of these, including NT. Oops, and it's not correct. Multi-threading. Cool. Yeah, I think that works. And comment this out for now. From depth extract video. Depth extract. Wait a minute. Oh, that's a typo. So the problem is this is declare explain there was 5 concurrent futures. Current futures like having minimum output. Yes, conclude this module import requests.
Just wanna love you for my whole life. Do it for you, I'ma make time. I wanna kick it until midnight.
Yeah.
Just to be with you till the sunrise. I think you're making me crazy. Put my heart up on the main line. I got this trust.
So I wanted to use
Because I know what you like. Good and bad, thick and thin, flaws and all. And if you're ever in the wrong, I'll let you know. Yeah, I know that love is unpredictable, but I'm pretty damn sure that this is the kind of love that keeps me up all night. This is what I wanna do for the rest of my life. This is something that can get every bit of my time. This is what they call real love, real love, real love. You saw my halo, even on days when you should hate most. Laid up, I'm stuck with you. So tell me about it, how'd your day go? Kissing on me, missing on me. Every time I see you, got them feelings on me. Kissing on you, loving on me. I won't play with your heart. Good and bad, thick and thin, flaws and all. And if you're ever in the wrong, I'll let you know. Yeah, I know that love is unpredictable, but I'm pretty damn sure that this is
there's no point for this. No point for this. Rent. That's being finished. And can I like close all threads? How to close all threads? Technically, this should work, I think. But I don't know how to. So the way it does it, so this would take like let's assume 2 threads. This would go here, right? This is executed, but it would execute it twice. Why? Because it takes a video, basically processes it twice, which is by default wrong in the way that I think. I would need to move all of this.
You call me again, drunk in your Benz, driving home under the influence. You scared me to death, but I'm wasting my breath.
But not here.
Listen to your fuck. I don't relate to you. No, I don't. I don't relate to you.
Move this
I'd never treat
here.
shitty. You made me hate this city. No. And I don't talk shit about you on the internet. Never told anyone.
Oh, wait a freaking minute, because I don't know how to do this. I'm just basically recopying this here. I could have just done everything here then. Wait a fucking minute. I need to append each frame to a thread for eye in range. How should I do this? Wait a minute. So this basically takes a frame. Let's just see what Copilot has to say. Implement concurrent futures here.
Just fucking leave me alone.
Depth extract video. Executor futures for eye range of frame count. Range futures active submit. Futures append future. Range future in memory. So it appends each. So it stores everything in memory, and then everything once it's finished, then it writes it down. Yeah, but this doesn't maintain the Okay, I'm curious. Let's see if this actually would work. Instead. Let's comment this out real quick. Go back here. Don't I have... Oh. I already have concurrent futures imported like this. Oh, fuck off. This records intakes of the data about the video. Workers. I don't want max workers, I want just NT directly. Feature find range of frame count. Yeah, but does it actually create two, or do I need... Futures, it creates an array for a range of, yeah. But does this actually run it twice? Let me open terminal. Actually, maybe I should just use a display captcha instead. Where the fuck is it? Oh. Open terminal. Python inference pi minus width minus height. I think it was 002 or some shit. And T2. For this work, let's see what does it have to say. Oh, last depth extract. Cannot import name multi-threading pool from depth extract. Oh, it tries to import something that doesn't exist. Can I comment this out for now? My GPU is working, some 97%, 63 on CUDA. But I'm not seeing the frame rate anymore. So this does not get updated in real time anymore. T equals depth extract. Oh, because it only does it at the end. Oh, my bad. Oh, my GPU is definitely frying. That's good. Good utilization went up. That's again good. But I feel like futures frying range of frame count is completely futures. So maybe I should this here. There's no image show. This object has no attribute as completed. So everything here has been done. And just why? Oh yeah, it needs to finish this. And then it tries to go here. What's the point as completed? Please iterate over seconds of features as they complete. I don't want it as it complete. No. I just want it to append and I can store everything in memory. This tries to show the image. What if I do this? And then just write this out. Future result. For any future, enumerate frames. If that frame, because it goes from 0 and this goes all the way up. I'll just see a depth frame. Yeah, there's no depth frame. Futures append future. Yeah, then I need to show future. Max is not numpy array. There's no numpy array, neither a scalar. Show it, extract. So it tries to show the image, I reckon. Future content. Image show. It tries to show it, but it doesn't return because it's in memory. So I would technically, I believe, I would have to go here and I believe, because it doesn't show from memory, maybe because it's different, it's stored differently. I assume. Oh, CUDA GPMF for argument math. Oh shit. Fix. The team show function calling depth function certificate elements to the central submit. Yeah, but it only shows I wanted to show fix this. Because it appends it differently, I reckon. maybe. I didn't have a different approach in here. Okay, it would just take the depth extract results. Maybe it doesn't like that. Words. Yeah, but the way you do it is just that's gay. Okay, fuck it.
Shorty, ¿qué estás buscando? Con ese baile, bebé, me estás provocando. Yo te estaba observando. Con ese flow, la atención estaba llamándome. Yo sé que también te gusté. En los ojitos se te ve. Que esta noche quieres roce. Si tú supieras que todos tus movimientos me llevan directo al
Yeah, but again, doesn't show the performance.
siempre que te veo modelando y moviendo toda la cintura. Yo quiero disfrutar contigo toda la noche sin compromiso, sin atadura. Pero que sea privado, bebé, porque así las cosas duran. Mucho flow en el party, let's go. En la discoteca hace mucho calor. Si ella se pega a mí con esa intención, vamos a terminar sudando los dos. Ella se mueve y ese booty le rebota. Diablo, mami, tú estás grandota. Como quisiera yo invirtarte una copa.
It's just started. It doesn't show anything. It just froze. It's working though, which is great. Fidelity is pretty high. It's working at 8 FPS, which is pretty slow, honestly. Am I IO limited? CPU is doing fine. So the output is okay-ish, I believe. Let's try again. Because I didn't check if there's output. So it does make an output, which is good. But it doesn't show the image. It cannot show it, probably doesn't store it the same way it would store a NumPy array. What I don't understand, it does the for loop, it appends every frame, right? Okay, but wait a minute, if I do, okay, let's wait for this to finish. So my performance went down, that's not good, generally speaking. But if I increase the thread maybe to like a 4, God knows. So input output works, that's good. What happens if I do 4 instead? Does it shoot up the CUDA by any chance? CUDA still stays at like 60%. CPU till went a bit higher, but not by much. I could technically do the frame appending, but no, but yeah, but I would read over the video several times. No, it doesn't work. And it actually worse on my performance. Wait, I don't think it actually did because it splits into 4 maybe. But my CUDA hasn't went up. GPU util is still high though. Could technically maybe divide it by 2, maybe. At least the input output works, which is good news. I like that. But the encoding is still... So futures for ranging frame count. Different count, Deadpool, NT. Executor submit. So it does this for loop. So it's several times slower for some reason. It doesn't speed up, it only slowed it down for some, I don't know what reason. Look at that, guys, tutorial again.
These two misconceptions that I often encounter in regards to so I just made this function where there's a while loop and it's doing something, and now when I create the thread, I give it a target and then set the daemon equal to true and start. And now you can see on the left we have a second thread under the main IPython process, and we can do this again. We can make a T2 and bam, every time we start a new thread in Python and actually give it something to do, we get a new thread show up at the system level in HTOP. So this, as far as I'm concerned, definitively proves that Python is absolutely not a single-threaded language, and that Python threads are quote-unquote real threads that are managed by the system, and they're not managed by some internal event loop, and they're not green threads. Now, whenever it comes to async, which is something that you definitely should use if you are dealing with a lot of I/O, or just if you're doing web-related work in general and doing a lot of web calls, you should use async. And async is running green threads. It is absolutely a single-threaded process, but threading in Python proper is not green threads, it's proper threading. Now, this, of course, brings us to point 2, which is another misconception, but like I said, it's not quite a misconception if you're only doing pure Python work. So then comes the question, if threading is quote-unquote real in Python, then why can't we just use threading to make use of multiple cores? Which I've said before, if you're using pure Python code, you can't do. The reason for this is the infamous global interpreter lock, or GIL.
Oh shit, I wasn't looking at CUDA.
And what the GIL does is that it forces every thread that is running Python bytecode to acquire a shared lock first. So if you are writing only pure Python code, then you have to acquire that shared lock. And because of that, at best, you're only ever going to be able to use one core. This is why when your code is pure Python, the recommendation is to use the multiprocessing module, because that's going to launch a separate process. It is going to launch a separate Python interpreter under the main Python interpreter process. And then any communication is going to happen through pickling. That's not entirely true in Python 3.8, but that's new. And so it has a higher RAM burden, but it does allow you to use multiple cores on your computer, even for pure Python code.
Wait just a minute. What happens? So if I do open terminal and do only one, CUDA goes up to 87, 86? How? So my CUDA went up, but the FPS is lower, and but yeah, the FPS is not exactly. Oh wait, I'm retarded. NT1 minus half. This should work faster now. No, it doesn't work faster. So the half doesn't even work anymore. This is like nearly an IO limitation rather than anything else. I'm about to just yoink the whole thread thingy in a few seconds. I feel like the for loop is inherently bad. Threadpool executor. Let me just do explain. The function creates the number of threads which is used to process the frame. Creates a list of future objects, one for each frame with the input video. For each frame with the frame from the input video using the rel method and the video capture object. This is the simplified way to hide in case. So it's adaptive function called the threadable object passing a hot precision flag. The resize frame, then the Python model, the PyTorch. What? PyTorch model, the PyTorch model transforms and the device. What? That extract function is responsible for estimating the depth of the input frame using specified PyTorch model and transforms it to returning a NumPy array representing that frame. So I created Threadpool executor as executor futures. But my question is, does it stop here, waits for this to finish, or because like I cannot think of any other better way. Maybe I'm just not understanding it. Features. It's basically it's a list, right? It does a for loop, which goes from I, which is 0, to range of frame count, which is, let's say, 1000. Returns frame. Yeah, if not red break. But can it just be if not frame equals break or whatever? You could just be probably if not frame break, right? It's like equal to 0 because like this takes both the value. Am I retarded? Okay. Frame. Okay, CV resize, the relationship between the rest, future. Executor, submit depth extract. And waits for an output, then appends it. But is this inherently gonna start 2 threads? Or is it gonna it's completed? Oh. It's just-in-time compiler for Python that converts Python function into machine code and runtime using the Living compiler library. It is sponsored by Anaconda INC with support by self-organization. Number provides ability to speed up computational heavy code such as for loops, which Python is notoriously slow at, close to the speeds of C, C++, by simplifying the decorator of wrapper around the Python function that does numerical computations. Just in time. Is it that easy? Import number. I don't have number yet. Pip install number. No, it's that easy. I'm just gonna roll back on this thing, 'cause it doesn't work anyway. I'm just too stupid to understand this. Shit. That was... From number import JIT. Function signature. Is it that easy? No, it's that easy. Okay, for now, let's just do this. Opa. T off, true. Number touch device. These are comments can determine number type class. Number 9 implemented error field object no partner step. What is number? Python number. Number is just in time compiler designed to optimize the performance of numerical computations. Last by machine called runtime gets it. How to implement number. Let's see. Maybe I'll need to do it on the daptics, right? Because I cannot do something related to no Python. What have you done differently? Ayo, 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 ayo. That's not what I asked for. But this is no Python. What is JIT no Python equals true? So then the function should be compiled using German. So the generates code that does not rely on the Python interpreter instead generates code. So code requires that the function is written in such that Python can be compiled. What the fuck is that? More restricted than default when it requires that the function is written in subset of Python. Power client support the context manager use. Can I just put it here then? What the fuck is this? For a fat second there, I was thinking it was working. Hoppa, hoppa. 6 FPS. Let's go! It's actually so much slower than it used to be. Oh no, it's going up. It's going up. It's definitely going up. Good auto is pretty high too. So JIT actually works slower. What happens if just do this? Truth be told, I'm streaming. It's already going faster. Oh no, maybe. Truth be told, I'm streaming, so this actually could impact it a bit. Starting time is much faster this way. Oh no, it's falling down. Doesn't seem to hurt, so I'm just gonna leave it there. Optimize with number in mind. Virtuate P range, no Python 2, parallel true. Or have you've just duplicated all of it? Parallel true. Doesn't seem to hurt the performance necessarily, just the solid time is slower. Interesting. Fallback from no Python compilation path to the object mode compilation path has detected this duplicated behavior that would be removed in number 059. So parallel true doesn't exist anymore. Interesting. What happens if I do this again? Yeah, so no parallel seems to weirdly enough lower the performance. But the JIT does help a slight bit. It does help a bit. But it's not anything significant just yet. Let's do number. What I'm thinking of. Thread pool executor doesn't work as intended though. Use by version a JIT to create an efficient compile version of the function. Sequential processing. I think toast. Yeah. Local this line. Make process per sector as a sector. This is a high level API upload was part of the standard pipeline library. The logic is synchronous parallel is connected to features module. All in like to apply the task to be implemented in each image mapped to every image in data set. Pickling some reflections, takeaways. It was our first time taking part in data science competition.
You say you wanna throw this cash, and I want you to bring that ass. You say you got it in the bag. I seen that you been on your bullshit now. No, it don't cost you nada, but you be drifting Prada. 'Cause all these niggas tryna best you, 'cause everybody knows you next to your fence. You need a rich nigga and you know that ain't no problem. Yeah, girl, I seen these other niggas and you know I don't sweat 'em. Yeah, you know I'm not the type to go and chase for your shawty, but if you swing it to the crib, yeah, I lay it down, shawty. You get your drink, no charge. You get your drugs, no charge. You see the world,
Index. Let's sort that such partition. So the way I think he does it is basically he stores everything in partition index, purge size for in range, and he makes a list and then processes that list with array partition calc. Where's the array partition calc calculator? What the fuck? So I would need to read over the video 2 times in order to process every frame, which is not good practice, honestly. This is not the way I want to approach it. No Python yet. I need to find another way to speed up my code. Process pool executor. Thread pool executor versus process. That is the president because using parallel or the different how they the rule of threads is attacks in parallel. Threads are lightweight and share the same memory space, so they can be created and destroyed quickly. However, they can be wait. They can be subject to race conditions as other synchronization issues. But on the other hand, use the pool process to execute tasks in parallel. Processes are heavier weight than threads because they have their own memory space and need to be created and destroyed more slowly. However, because they have their own memory space, they're less subject to race conditions and other synchronization issues. In general, thread is more appropriate for IO-bound tasks where the button is ready for input-output operations to complete. This is because threads are lightweight and can be created and destroyed quickly, so they can be used to overlap IO operations with computation. I more prefer CPU-bound. So I need thread pool regardless, because I'm not CPU bound, I'm GPU bound. Memory space and can be used to parallelize computation across multiple CPU cores. how can they iterate over frames as they complete if the frames are in a for loop prior? There's confusion users to iterate over the features as they complete, not the frames. Features for loop levels complete stated over features they complete them plus the results. Yeah, but this needs to finish first before this can go on, right? So I would have to implement everything in 1.4. It would be much simpler to just directly write the frame. I'll just write something. Will this work? Wait. Something really legit. I don't understand it. Okay, just assume I set it to fuck it 15, no 15, 4. My CUDA utilization didn't go up a bit. CPU utilization is high on some cores, but that's about it. So it's actually worse in the performance unless it updates differently because of it. Maybe I don't need to append it. What happens if I did this? Opa. Depth frame. I don't think it works just like that. Oops. And waits for an image. Picture result.
See if you keep it
Let's do 2. And
Look me in my eyes.
this.
I wanna see if you keep it aside.
And
All that's in the dark comes to the light.
outline.
Who I am and who I was.
Process
They
done
intertwine.
in.
They intertwine. Look me in my eyes.
Time.
I wanna see if you keep it aside.
I think it automatically adds a space.
To the light. Who I am and who I was. They intertwine. They intertwine.
Opa. I think I might have deleted something that I shouldn't have. Let's do frame count equals, I don't know, 50. Seven seconds. If I put this to 4, of course this is a low sample, so it doesn't really show the true, but 6 seconds, okay. But what if I put this to, fuck it, 8? So it went from 6.6 to 6.5. Let's take a largest sample size, something like 100. So the NT sort of works, but the CUDA utilization did not go up. "12 seconds with 8. Let's try 2. I'll put 8 to be more precise. Trouble 8, so it's the same thing. So there's a diminishing return past a certain point, or it's just like delta error issues. Same thing. It technically works, but it technically doesn't at the same time. It's just fucking weird, honestly. Would it still work? The frame rate still works. Why is it? Why is it Sure, that's not point in this. What do you mean unnecessary? The unnecessary. I'm not the type unnecessary, but whatever. Process as fast as possible. Yeah, but you named every fucking thing, dude.
Told you I'm bringing something different.
I don't want you to rename shit.
Wanna listen? Didn't your mama tell you be grateful for what you're given? Well, I was raised right, now I've risen, taking her position. Told you that I've done it, all this shit don't faze me. Nothing is so cynical the way you made me. Still I never missed out, hit those times. Wonder why they get so hypnotized. So still I'm on my shit though, hit those times. Wonder why they get so hypnotized. Slow down, I'm using all my hours 'cause I know how. Using all the powers that I hold now. Yeah, they love the way
What?
that she
What did you do differently? Oh, I never seen that.
Told you that I've seen all this shit don't faze me. Nothing is so cynical the way you made me. Still I never missed out, hit those times. Wonder why they get so hypnotized.
Oh shit.
Still I'm on my shit though, hit those times. Wonder why they get so hypnotized.
Didn't do shit. Lovely. Okay. Fuck this.
Still I never missed out, hit those times. Wonder why they get so hypnotized.
Can you turn the frame reading and frame up? Got this right. Two different synchronous processes. Synchronize, yes. Synchronize, sync there, fruit freeze, sugar, sync. Yield frame, concurrent futures, thread pool. Okay, this is getting interesting. Let's see.
You inside your rover, dancing round the OVO shit. What about the song I wrote you when we broke up on the phone shit? That's just like you and your girls. It's never about how you be feeling, but it's funny cause you think it's cool to swear you in your feelings. That's just like you, why I like you. It's what my boy said, man, I told you. Be more worried what I don't say. This is dry, but I'm alright, son. Aiming out, you got lost. Shit got jammed with my last pick. Cover cars lost in the hills, ain't no service. I just wanna talk, but don't know that it's worth it. I don't need you back, I just wish you knew. I thought you'd be my last, my last, my last, my last, be my true. Be the one.
This is gibberish. At this point, I'm just using AI to do everything for me.
It's you. You know it, babe, I know it, babe. It was either you would choose to breathe instead. Don't say much when I say let's talk at your place. Tell me situations happen how they did, but you flipped it and think I wouldn't notice that you did. That's just like you, why I like you. It's what your girl said, texting me to go out with them when you don't stay. It's a drive-by, don't come out and like what you see. You don't like the truth, then shit, why did you ask me? Cover cars lost in the hills, ain't no service. I just wanna talk, but don't know that it's worth it. I don't need you back, I just wish you knew. I thought you'd be my last, be my last, be my last, be my last, be my true, be the one you were.
Sync the
What's crazy
routine.
is you. You know it, babe, I know it, babe. Be the one you were. I want. What's crazy is you. You know it, babe, I know it, babe.
I've run out of cigarettes. Yeah, fuck Numba, because I don't know how to use it, and I'm too retarded for this.
GPS say it's about 5 till I pull up on you. When I ask you what you wearing, tell me you ain't got nothing on, yeah. I wanna see you loose in the back of the foreign on me. Got a food, tank of gas, I ain't tryna make it last, oh yeah. Let's cruise right out, I got it right out my way, oh.
Optimize this code.
Hold on, fuck that. Fuck that shit. Hold on. start this motherfucking record over again. Wait a minute. Fuck that shit. Still on this motherfucking record. I'm gonna play this motherfucker for y'all. Hey, y'all get some more
This is
drinks going
retarded.
on. I sound a whole lot better.
Let's try it. Type it or enable must be a bull. Wait. Super enter. Oh no, that's not my language.
Seeing you got ritualistic.
I barely understand this as is.
Zone of addiction for now.
Resize and convert.
Falling apart.
Resize and convert to grayscale.
Tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart.
Does this work, by the way? And here use detach.
Passive with the things you say.
Passing up on my own ways, I can't let me know. Oh.
Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things
Output with shape doesn't match the broadcast shape.
on my always. I
Oh. Submit. Oh, so I think that's an issue. Yeah.
Listen, harder building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart.
Is this necessary?
Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the
Pieces
pieces.
of leave it for now, cause we're falling apart. Technically still writes video,
Miles away.
which is
Passive
decent news.
with the things you say. Passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. No.
Can connect CUDA device type density numpy, use tensor CPU to copy. Yeah, I still want CPU because I don't have numpy compiled as CUDA.
With the things
I think
say.
maybe I'm wrong here.
Passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. No.
This works at least. So if I do jet here, opa, opa. Import number.
Trying to think of the right thing to say.
Oops. From number import jet. I managed to worsen the performance, which is great news. This works overall. Why is it that future result? Ah, fuck it. You run this is compressed.
I've seen the devil down sunset in every place, in every face.
I think it was below, right?
Tell me, do you see her? She's living her life. Even if she acts like she don't want nobody. But if you
Separated the flicker into a future different
paparazzi, then she acts surprised.
different file.
Know what she needs. She just want the fame. I know what she
Monthly.
gets. Give it up, taste
Yeah, that sounds better. Give me on my knees and a couple of bees and a couple No. Updated red. Me. I just don't know how to make this faster. I'm giving up on this project, honestly. It's just so annoying. And just so slow. On top of that. Huh? How did you write it this way? Alright, alright. Yo. Now you told me that maybe the night. Yay, I don't have to buy CSGO. He said, happy while you lose it. My girl, I'm really human. And honor is the brain where your heart is. You know how to use it. And this will be the end of this project. I am giving up on it. Yo. Automated video frame deduplication. I want to do it on that. Does that? Voices in my head to be run down. And don't think that they do it. Is there any new updates on Rife? I think 4.7 released, yeah. But it still uses the old libraries, Rife, Python. Yeah. Has it been updated? Let's see forks. It's Sportsnet 4.6. I wouldn't have no idea how to do this. See me run now. I'm running to this moment. Where's the models at? Models pass. Welcome Python, Rifles and welcome. Yeah, it doesn't have 4.7 yet. Ugh. I have no idea how. So let's work on another level.
Someday, I wanna lay down like I did.
Someday, someday, someday.
I've been trying to make you love me, but everything I try just takes you
Someday we will tear it up.
Baby, don't you bet it all on that path of fentanyl. You might think they wrote you off. They gon' have to roll me
To
off.
make it interpolation.
Sometimes I take all the shine, talk like I drank all the wine.
But is there any need since there like a bunch of what is it called? Interpolation methods. I mean I can make a script at least.
I've been trying
It feels like useless.
to make you love me, but everything I try
Let me just git clone my create Python scripts.
Once again, I am a child. I let go of everything that I know. Yeah, of everything
teachers anymore. I feel kind of free. Instead of the kids we used to be.
I put my hand on a stove to see if I still bleed.
Feel kind of free. We're still the kids we used to be. Until my hands on the floor.
To see if I still bleed. And nothing hurts anymore. I feel kind of free. We're still the kids we used to be. I put my hand on a stove to see if I still bleed. And nothing hurts anymore. I feel kind of free. We're still the kids we used to be. I put my hand on a stove to see if I still bleed. And nothing hurts anymore. I feel kind of free.
Oops. Everybody go to hell. Shake it, till you break it, shake it. Can't even build builds anymore, apparently. Young kids are talking on my mind. OpenCV Mobile? That's a thing? That's interesting. By the way, he's a dude, which is fucked up a bit. OpenCV Mobile, that's what he does.
everything we need. They need me to go, but I don't wanna leave. Rest in peace, Lil Keith. Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. I'ma have to make a paint of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard, just let a nigga know. I would have you courtside, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though. I can't stress about no bitch cause I'm a timid soul. Plus I'm cooking up ambition on the kitchen stove. Pot start to bubble, see the suds, that shit good to go. Whole sound suave, but I can't get me cold. Bro, think he John Wayne. I bought them Yellowstones, love the way they hang, babe. For the silicone, everybody fake now. You could crack the code, bust down everything. Set in rose gold, dread talking to you niggas like I'm J. Cole. I could tell her head good.
What's the difference between this?
I even know. Bitch, don't tell me that you model if you ain't been in vogue. Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace.
Real Coogan. Oh,
Straight stun. You don't like the way I talk.
Media
Niggas
2X.
say some. Gotta throw a party for my day ones. Pull up and you know it's us, the bass jumping. You don't like the way I talk and say something. In my face, nigga. Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace, the drama king. We was straight stunned. If I let my nigga 21 tell it, you a pussy.
Spin a block twice like it ain't nowhere to park. Smack the back side of his head like he bark. OVO for well, we come out when it get dark. Big stepper, he came in a rose, but he left in a stretcher. Let my brother drive while I shoot, team effort. Asking all these questions, bitch, you must think you Nadeska. The chopper like to fill on all the autism molester. I be with my gun.
Would this work?
She wanna
What?
hear some Afro beats cause she just popped a Tesla. All that working out, that nigga must think he a wrestler. But this ain't UFC, this chopper came with a compressor. This chopper came with a compressor.
What?
This chopper came with a this Glock 45 came with a switch.
Oh, it made no sense. Oh, cause I. What the fuck?
It's a sticker. Spin the same hood where I get my dicks up. If you standing on business, put your blick up. Come around acting scared, get your shit tucked. Fell in love with feeling dizzy, so I spizzin'. I got mad love for the boy, yeah, that's my twizzin'.
What?
Them niggas keep on dissing, so
Well, building well, because I think it's a different Python that I'm not using.
last nigga played with me, got turned uppy. I ain't even roll him in the wood cause he musty. You ask how she doing, I just tell her come and fuck me. Shot his ass 20 times. Damn, this nigga lucky.
Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace, the drama king. We was straight stunned. You don't like the way I talk, nigga. Say some, say some, say some, say some, say some. You don't like the way I talk, nigga. Say some, say some.
Put a nigga in the chicken wing. Pussy.
21, can you do something for me?
21.
Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21.
Okay, so this is a group of people.
Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21.
Archie Mag and Kate Rex. Let's see what Archie Mag has been doing.
To the ops next for me.
Okay.
21. Do your thing, 21. Do your thing. Do your thing, 21.
Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never send a bitch or die. That's how you get shot. IDM in vanish mode. I do that shit.
Android 5 to X demo.
Panties off
And CNN Android? That's fucked up.
My exes ain't nothing, them hoes busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass ducking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger, don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Keep sucking, I'm a savage. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a pussy nigga with the ratchet. I might slap a track on his whip and get the addy. Don't call me on Christmas Eve, bitch, call your daddy. Bitch, call your uncle, bitch, don't call me. Always in my ear, your whole fleet. Why my ass be posting
August.
guns, only you
It's been barely.
paid like an athlete. I got
All you hoes, all of you
It's been barely working.
need to remember who y'all talking to. It's the Slaughter Gang CEO. I got dick for you if I'm not working, girl. If I'm busy, then fuck no. You need to find you someone else to call when your bank account get low. You need to find you someone. Hey,
Yo 2x. Any news on this? Chrome on chrome, just what Oh, new update since April. Making blogs, not my type. Shit. Yeah, that's enough for now. I was streaming for nearly